Welcome back, Crammers, to question 8. Marie has 200 flowers. Of these flowers, 37 are white, 25 are yellow, 42 are pink. The rest of the flowers are red. Give the number of red flowers as a fraction of total numbers, simplifying your fraction. So we know that 200 is the total. We can rewrite this to 200 over 200 because 200 over 200 is 1 and 1 is simply 1 whole. We can rewrite 37 to 37 over 200, 25 to 25 over 200, and 42 to 42 over 200. And we can add all these values. If we're able to subtract all the white flowers, the yellow flowers, and the pink flowers from the total, we can then find how many red flowers there are. And we can use our calculator here. We have 37 over 200, so that's 37 plus 25 plus 42. They have the same denominator. We have 104 over 200, so that's equal to 104 over 200. And now we can subtract this from the full value. So we have 200 minus 104 over 200. So we can put this into a calculator, which gives us 200 minus 104, which is 96, divided by 200, which is 12 over 25. So we write here 12 over 25. Thanks for watching. Cram, then scram.